Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add channel in your Telegram. It's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along and you'll be able to add channel in the Telegram. So first thing first, let's tap into the app itself. Let's tap in Telegram. You'll be leaded to this page. All you have to do is look at the right top corner. You can see edit option right at the side of the add story. Let's tap in there. And here you can see various options like new group, new contact, new channel. So you have to tap in this new channel option right here to create a channel. Let's tap. And here it is. Here it says what is a channel. Channels are one too many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audiences. So let's tap into the create channel option. And here you have to name your channel. So let's name good. It's a very basic name, I know. And let's hit that next button, and you can choose whether you want to make this channel public or private. Let's make it private for now. You can also like copy a link from here. Now all you have to do is tap in that next button and you can choose whoever you want to add to this channel and hit next, and there you go. This is how you create a channel in Telegram. It's very simple. You can try, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.